What are your thoughts on 3D printed and AI designed cars? Surely they're not strong enough to race on the track, right? They couldn't hold up. Well, in today's video, we're going to investigate. We're going to be talking about the Czinger 21C. My name is Luke. Welcome back to the Collector Car Network, but before we get started, a quick word from our sponsor.
This video is brought to you by Woodside Credit, the exclusive loan provider for Barrett-Jackson for over a decade. Estimate your lowest payment in America at woodsidecredit.com.
The Czinger 21 is inspired by the world's fastest aircraft, the SR-71 Blackbird. Czinger claims their 21C is created utilizing human AI design, 3D printed technology, automated assembly, and patented in-house developed materials. Now, of course, 21C standing for 21st century, but they use a process called powder bed fusion with selective laser melting. Starting with the surface that's covered with powdered metal, they then use lasers to fuse the powdered particles together to form a layer of solid metal. They then repeat this process again and again. Czinger claims the components are lighter, but not weaker, than those created using other construction methods. Zinger's advanced powertrain combines a 950 horsepower, 2.8-liter twin-turbo V8 with an 800-volt electric drive system. The system includes two electric front motors that add 300 horsepower and a high-performance 4.4 kilowatt battery pack with 430 horsepower capacity. The engine charges the battery using a motor generator unit, and together they provide a maximum power of 1,250 horsepower with an optional 1,350 horsepower. Like a fighter jet, the 21C features a centrally positioned driver's seat with an inline passenger seat located right behind it, effectively reducing the width of the cockpit. The brake calipers and suspension components are combined into a single unit Czinger calls the brake node. The Czinger 21C is limited to a production run of just 80, and it's going to cost you a pretty penny if you want one. The cost is $2 million. Now, if you can afford it, you can purchase from any of their 6 dealer locations in the United States. What are your thoughts on the Czinger 21C? Are these innovations the future for car manufacturing? If you think so, please let us know down below in the comments. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you want to collect a car of your own, please visit ClassicCars.com or check out our auction website at autohunter.com. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.